Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. This is going to be the second video on the series in which we are going to learn Python on Android devices. If it's helpful for you, hit the like button. In this part, we are going to learn about print tags and variables which are very important in Python. Let's start. The function of print tags is to print a specified message, which can be a letter or a number or a sentence, to the screen as an output. So for writing print tags, you have to write print on the screen, and then you have to add brackets, and inside the brackets you have to add quotation marks, and under the quotation marks you can write whatever you want to the print, the output of this code. So here I write hello world, and then when we click on the output button, the yellow button, and then it will take me to the output screen, and here you can see that hello world is written, and this is how our output look like when we use a print tag in Python. Let's come back. So if I remove the print tag from the word I want to show is hello world, it will show me a big error which is telling me to add the print tag to preview this hello world. So I need to write the simple print tag, and then inside it we need to add again the hello world to preview it. So let's do it. So when now I click on the output button, it will showing me the hello world, which is that the code is properly working. So till now we are using double quotation mark to preview our print word tag or word which we wanted to show, but we can even use apostrophes to print our word as an output. So here we have done it, and you can see that hello is written here, means the code is properly working again. But if we remove these also, then the code will not work. As you see, there is a big error. So we need to add quotations or apostrophe to run the code. So this is what print tags are, and now we're gonna learn about variables. So let's start. So what are variables? So variables are containers for storing data values. Unlike other programming languages, Python has no command for declaring a variable. Means you can use any word as a variable. So let me show you one of its examples. So here we have two variables, x and y. X is 5 and y is John. And below that we can see print x and print y, which was showing that when we print x and print y, it will showing 5 as print x, and as print y it will showing John. But here we are not using quotation marks in print tags, because whenever we use to print any variables, we are not using any quotation marks. Now let's try this code. So now let's add two variables here, x and y, and let's take its value as x is equal to 10 and wait 10 and y is equal to Python. Let's take it Python. and then we have two variables here. One is x is equal to 10 and the other is python. But if we need to we have a word as our variable python, we need to add quotation marks here, otherwise it will not work. Now to make an output of these variable, we need to use print tags, and under these print tags we need to write x, and the second print tag as y, print y. And now when we take its output, we can see 12 as our x variable and python as our y variable. But if we add quotations here, if we add quotation, cover x with quotations and cover y with quotations like this. Wait. uh, and now when we click for the output, we can see simply x and y as it is. So we doesn't need x and y, we need 10 in python, so we need to remove this quotation marks from our print tags. So now what if we need a two-worded variable? Like if I need study today as a variable, so we can't write simply study today and let's take its value as 10. And if we do this, if we take space bar in between study and today, the output will show a big error because a variable will never contains a spacebar. So here you can use underscore as spacebar here to run your code like this, but it will not show anything here in the output because we doesn't use the print tag for our study today variable. So let's write print brackets and under that study underscore today. So now it will show the 10 value under python. So this is what variables are in python. So that's all for this video. If you like something from this video, hit the like button and subscribe our channel. Thank you. If you have any questions related to this topic, you can email me or you can ask in comment sections. You can even join our live free classes. The form will be given in the description and the source code is also provided in description. Thank you.